Hi guys, I hope everyone is safe. Please try as much as possible to be safe wherever you are. God helping us, all these storms will soon be over. So today we are going to, this is turmeric, okay? This is turmeric. So many people use this turmeric. So personally I use turmeric a lot. So I've been thinking, how do I make the use of turmeric easy, okay, for me? So using it fresh like this will always make me, if I want to use it, I'll bring it out, scrape it, start grating or grinding. So but if I just ask myself, if I can make this, if I can turn it into powder, it will be easier for me to use. So I decided to make this turmeric. I decided to show some people who are fond of using turmeric for so many things, so many dishes. I virtually use this in every be it jollof rice, fried rice, stew, okay. Some people add it in their tea because of the health benefits. So I'm going to scrape it, scrape the skin, okay, or peel it, whichever word you, yeah. So you just scrape the skin, okay. Then turmeric has so many health benefits. Turmeric burn, stomach ulcers, gallstones, allergies, diabetes, wounds, okay, and asthma. Turmeric. So turmeric contains so many components like beta carotene, ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, calcium, flavonoid, fiber, iron, niacin, potassium, zinc, and other nutrients. So if you have not been using turmeric before now, I will encourage you to start using turmeric, because you can use turmeric to replace your curry if you are using, if you are cooking fried rice. I love the color it gives in food, okay. So that is that. So this is our turmeric. So after peeling the back, you wash again, okay. Then if you cannot go through this process of peeling the back, you can as well wash it properly. If you can't go through this process of peeling the back, if you feel it will take your time, you can just decide to wash it properly. You wash it properly, okay. Then go ahead and slice it into pieces as we are going to do now, okay. So we are going to slice this like this, whichever shape you want. But what matters is you have to make it light for easy drying. Make it easy, okay. So after slicing it, I put it here because I want to use natural method to dry this, that is the sun, okay. So you can as well use your oven to dry your turmeric, but you have to dry it in a low heat for maybe 2-3 hours. Constantly monitor it whenever. So guys, this is after 2 days. As I told you before now, where I am is very hot, so I was able to dry this in 2 days. It has to be so crunchy. See, it's so dry and crunchy. So we are going to grind it into powder now. So let's get started. So what we need to do is just to put it in a I'm used to using my coffee grinder. You can just decide to do it this way, or you just put it straight to still think. I will have to grind it batch by batch just to times will go. So we are going to repeat the same process for the remaining one. So this is our turmeric. After grinding it, you just put it in a sieve and sieve it if you like. I will encourage you to give it a trial. This is the best way to use turmeric. If you still feel like using it fresh, but this is the best because it will be easier for you to use. Just what you need to do is just open, put the quantity you want in your food, and we are going to draw a curtain here today. We see you in our next video. Thank you and God bless you. How beautiful it is, and the smell, it smells so nice.